this is Steve, Woodworking Masterclass. Hey, welcome to the channel. Great things happening in 2019. Now I'm on YouTube total. I'm doing live streams. I'm going to be doing the same videos, but you have the opportunity to become a member of the Woodworking Masterclass channel. Unbeknownst to me, YouTube is doing a lot of hard work that I was doing myself. I'd planned on making an e-workshop where I could do in-depth woodworking, marquetry, this sort of thing, show you how to French polish, do designs like that, do carving, cutting joints, hand tool work, and it was all going to be on the inline school. And I was charging $199 a month for that. Now YouTube's come along and you can subscribe as a member of the channel and you'll get the same thing for about $5 US a month and have access to videos that normally I was going to be putting up for $199 a month. So if you'd like to join us, please hit the join button down below. Bob's really excited about it, aren't you, mate? He's sort of excited about it, but he'll be in the workshop as well. And there's a super chat, so if we're chatting, you can have special super chat icons and images, and it's going to be a great amount of fun. And the good thing is, because I'm working from home finally, this is what I'm going to be doing full time, so you might get sick of me, but we're going to do so many other different projects. So if you're interested in woodwork, this is a place to be. Now the way it works, I will be streaming, I'll still be putting the normal content I've been putting up on YouTube, but for the more in-depth details and preciseness of operations, also you'll have the ability to ask me live if we do membership streams, what your particular problems are or how to overcome something, and I can even make a video to show you how I would handle that particular situation, and I will post that in the members only community area. So as time goes on, there'll be a wonderful knowledge bank there you'll be able to access. The other thing is you'll get your own emos or images. I've done some. I've got one of Bob. I've got two of Bob actually. One of me. I want to get one for the missus. And a cup of coffee. There's membership, different membership badges, different colours for the amount of time you've been with the Woodworking Masterclass channel. You'll also get the bloopers. So what I'll be doing is as I said, I'll be doing a lot of streaming. But instead of you having to wade through all the stream, which could be 2 hours or 3 hours, I will pick out the pertinent parts, put them together in videos and upload them into the members own area. A lot will get uploaded to the normal YouTube channel, but the difference being the membership videos will be far different in camera angles and the amount of shots that I can get. Because at the moment, I stream on this camera here, which is a webcam, and there's another webcam there by the side of the bench. But what you don't get to see is over the bench, there's a GoPro, which is directly above the bench. A second camera, which is below the top one that I film on, that's a close-up camera. And the camera that I'm actually filming on now, which is the same as one of those, which is a Pro Cam, I also have that beside the bench so I can get much more clarity in there. So with all those cameras, you get to see a lot more detail than you do just in the stream, because these ones, the webcams, are fairly static and I can't get the zoom in effect that I can with these other cams. So please join up or subscribe. It doesn't matter if you don't join, you'll still get the videos that are going to line, you'll still have access to the public streams, but you won't have access to the knowledge bank and the members only area. But honestly, for $5, what's that, a cup of coffee a month? I look forward to having your company in the community members shed very, very soon. If not, keep on enjoying, keep watching, keep giving me comments, and I'll be here. So thanks very much for your loyalty, I guess, so far. I've worked out I've been on YouTube now for nearly 4 years. So I'm looking forward to the next 4 years of just consolidating what I do, but instead of doing it as a pastime or as a hobby or something to fill in the day, I'm treating this as a full-time job, and you'll be seeing a lot more of me. And plus another thing, if you remember, you get the opportunity to maybe suggest projects we can do. So that's it. This is Steve, pulling the shed door down and saying thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the shed very, very soon, and I hope you join up. If not, still enjoy the videos we put up. And remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, keep it safe. Look after yourself, be nice to each other, and I'll catch you very, very soon. Bye for now.